How to fix Steelseries Arctis not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just tap on the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have the latest version of this application on your device. As you can see, there's no option of update and it only has open option. It means we have the latest version of the application on our device. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the application over here and then tap on app info. So it will lead us to a new page over here. All you have to do is tap on clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and then tap on delete all data if it's possible, and if not, then you can just clear the cache. Then go to the app permissions over here and make sure that you toggle on all the required options over here. After that, make sure that you have toggled on the notifications and so on. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.